Customer experience is a class that is vital to us as agents because we need to provide a stellar and amazing customer experience in order to get repeat and referral business from our customers. The customer experience system is called the 5S system. The first S in the system is set. We're going to set and exceed our customers' expectations. Then we serve our customers by doing what we say we're going to do and doing it really well. Next, we have survey. We're going to survey our customers at multiple steps along the way to make sure that we are doing well and that we are exceeding their expectations. Fourth, we have surpass. We're going to surpass our customers' expectations by doing some really cool, unexpected things along the way, things that they will remember. And finally, sustain. We're going to sustain the relationship for the lifetime of the customer so that they will give us repeat and referral business forever. If you're interested in customer experience, contact me. I would love to bring it to your market center. It'll change your business just like it changed mine.